Hey there, ever wondered why Benji Fishy or Veno's game pop up with vibrant colors while yours seems a bit dull? Well, fear not, there's a trick to it. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to achieve those eye-popping colors just like the pros in Fortnite. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First things first, launch Fortnite on your PC. After that, head over to the settings. Now when you're in the video tab, make sure to set the frame rate limit. Choose between 360, 240 or 200. Just don't forget to avoid leaving it on unlimited. Next, select either DirectX 11 or DirectX 12 for the rendering mode. This will enhance your graphics and colors, but keep in mind, it might have a slight impact on performance. Following that, scroll down to the graphics section. From here, boost up the brightness slider to 130%. This simple tweak will significantly brighten up your gaming experience. Now, set the user interface contrast to 1.25x. This will make the user interface, including the lobby and other elements, look incredibly vibrant and eye-catching. After that, flip on the colorblind mode and set it to Tritanope. Proceed to increase the colorblind strength to 7 or 8. However, if you're aiming for maximum vividness, crank it all the way up to 10. For those Fortnite OG players, this will give you the same nostalgic look and make the game appear wonderfully vibrant. Finally, click on Apply to implement these settings. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed your Fortnite on PC into a colorful masterpiece. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.